Do you want to know how you can change your display name or your team name in DeepL Translator? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your display name or team name. Go ahead and open deepl.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on the profile which you can see on the top right hand corner and click on account. Scroll down and you can see display team name. Go ahead and click change and write down any name and then click change name. This way your display name or your team name will be changed. So guys, let me show it to you once again. Open deepl.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Click on your profile and go to account. Scroll down and you can see display or team name. Go ahead and click on change and then write down whatever you want or whatever your team name or display name you would want to display and then click change name. This way the display or team name will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.